Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ehsan, and in today's video we're going to solve another math problem. We're going to find the value for k in this system of equations. This is a really funny trigonometric problems, and if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you'll be aware of it. Let's jump into it. Here you can see the system of equations, and here are all the answers, or the possible answers for this question. So I'm going to start with this system of equations. If you look at this system of equations carefully, you can start in here. You can multiply the both sides of these two system of equations all together. I mean that you can multiply this side with this side together, and then that right hand side and onto this one. So these are all our multiplications. But if you look at this carefully, you can call this as A and this one as B. So A plus B times A minus B. If you remember, this is equals to A squared minus B squared. So this is what I'm going to do. So this one represents A, so it becomes A squared in this multiplication. So 1 divided by cosine squared of theta minus B squared, which is tangent square of theta. This is multiplication for the left hand side. Now about right hand sides. Right hand sides, I'm just going to rewrite them. 2 minus square root of 2 times k plus 1. Now I'm going to calculate this one into here. So 2k, 2 times 1, which is 2, minus square root of 2 times k minus square root of 2. And if you can somehow manage this, you can rewrite it as 2 minus square root of 2 times k, I factorized k, plus 2 minus square root of 2. This is the right hand side. Okay, this is the final result so far. So for the right hand side. And how about left hand side? If you look at it carefully, you can simplify this. You can simplify this, and if you remember, and let me just simplify this step by step. 1 divided by cosine square of theta minus, instead of tangent square theta, I'm going to rewrite it as sinusoid squared of theta divided by cosine squared of theta. Now I'm going to use the common denominators to simplify this. The common denominator is cosine squared of theta, and the nominators are 1 minus sinusoid squared of theta. And again, if you remember, you have this basic cosine squared of theta plus sinusoid squared of theta equals to 1. I use this as a reminder and that one as a reminder. These are our background formulas that we require. So 1 minus sinusoid squared theta equals to cosine squared of theta divided by cosine squared of theta, which is equal to 1. So this is our equations. In the left hand side we have left with 1, and on the right hand side we have left with this expression for in terms of k times k plus 2 minus square 2. Now I'm going to move everything on the other side and left k on the left hand side just. So here we have 1, 2 becomes minus 2 because moves to the other side, and minus square 2 becomes plus square 2. And this coefficient for k is going to be on the denominators. 2 minus square 2. So on the denominators, we have left with minus 1 plus square 2, and the denominator 2 minus square 2. And if you multiply numerator and denominators on the conjugate of the denominator, which is 2 plus square 2, 2 plus square 2, here for the denominator, again, a minus b times a plus b, a squared minus b squared, a squared becomes 4 minus b squared becomes 2. And for the denominator, minus 2 minus square 2 plus 2 square 2, and finally square 2 times square 2, which is 2. These two are crossed out, and here you have left with square 2. So k equals to square 2 divided by 2. The right answer is option C. I hope you like this video. If that's the case, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and I will see you on the next video.